Hello everybody, greetings to you all. My name is Luc Neufenroz and the country director for the Haitian Timon Foundation. Education in Haiti have been always a burden for parents to send their children to school. There is no free education, it's all paid. Not easily accessible for many. Fewer than 19% of students complete ninth grade. Even students who complete elementary school, many not be able to attend high school due to the financial burden. Parents are struggle to provide food for the families. School require fees, uniforms, books, and they need school supplies. In 2016, I created Living Faith school program to help the student from L'École Sainte Trinité that was finished with 6th grade. James Blanchard was one of the students at L'École Sainte Trinité that I was going to sponsor to go to school, to sponsor for him to continue with his education. The other 6th graders heard about that and come to me asking me how could I help them as well to sponsor them with their education. Being a high school student, being a high school graduate in Haiti, it's mean a lot. It's mean a lot. It is an opening door for students after they graduate to find a job, to go to university, or to a professional school, which will allow them to take even bigger. The community believes in them after they graduate from high school. It is a highly standard in Haiti. The Living Faith School program students are often the first in the family to attend high school. Their parents are believing them and their accomplishment. They have hope for their future. We need your help to continue sponsor these children education, to continue send them to school where they can have a hope, a better future. Thank you for your continued support. God bless you all. Thank you.